getting ready to go out and do some chores. It actually rained last night, so we are super excited about that. However, I left my boots outside, so we're gonna put on a different pair of boots this morning, so let's do that. How's it going, Reggie boy? Let's go. Yeah, Shelby and I were washing the car the other day, so she soaked my boots, and now Mother Nature has soaked them. So we gotta do the quick morning chores. Not too much to do today. Need to go grocery shopping today at some point. Shelby and I spent lots of time with friends yesterday, so she did not get a nap. So I imagine she's gonna sleep in a little bit. But first chore is to let the kittens out. There they go. Next we gotta go feed the hogs. Their pen is gonna be a really muddy mess. So we shall see how this goes, but look at this beautiful view. Good morning, piggies. You guys ready for some breakfast? Good old, like a extra big one. These guys doing Alright, now we've got to go let out the chickens. So right now we've got, what is there? 2 roosters and 3 hens sleeping in the coop. But we have 1 more hen. However, let's see here. Earlier this week was the beginning of the week. Today's Thursday? No, today's Wednesday. So it was a little while ago. May have been the end of last week. She decided to leave, and I didn't see her for a couple days. The last 2 days I've seen her during the day, but she doesn't like to come back and sleep with the crew at night. And then this hen disappeared like a month ago, and she randomly showed up last week and joined the flock again. So chickens are funny, man. All right, crew. Buddy boy. Yeah. You come and get some love? I know, we love you too, Reggie. He wants his breakfast, so I guess we better go do that. Is it breakfast time? Yeah. No jumping. Sit. Oh, good job. Good boy. Yeah, so good. Wait. All of our beautiful tomatoes that Shelby picked for us yesterday. Come on, Reggie. Sit. Good boy. Lay down. Lay down. Wait. Wait. Okay, go home. Good boy. Good job, buddy. let's go eat. Say good morning, Shelby.
No.
Are we headed out to take care of the baby chickens?
No.
Yeah.
Poopy.
Yeah, all the cow poop.
No.
So we gotta walk out and take care of the baby chicks, huh?
No. Oh, my chick's sick.
Yeah.
Where's my sick?
Mama's not sitting, I'm walking.
Huh?
Here, we're walking to go see the chickens. Those your chickens?
A fruit.
Is Silky in there?
Fruit. No.
Good morning, chickies. Getting so big. Humid today. We just finished doing chores out at the cows, and I did the bare minimum because we're headed to the grocery store. Yeah, the AC is on, Shelby. Yep. And so, goodness, I am already sweaty, so I apologize to the people in the grocery store. But I am excited to go shop in the AC.
More?
Do you think these guys need more food?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sure the workers will take care of it. The baby chickens? Yeah. Alright, we are back home. Shelby and I have had lunch, and I put her down for some quiet time. She's not asleep yet. But I've unloaded groceries, so coolers are now empty. I went ahead and washed some blueberries, so now those are dry, and I'll have to pick out whatever stems are still left on them soon. Before we ate, or right after we ate, I got some cucumbers all sliced up to make some cucumber salad for meeting with friends tonight for supper. So I had those soaking in some salt. So now I've chopped up my red onion, and I'm gonna make up the rest of it. And I am going to first, before I do anything else, is set aside a fourth a cup of this. Of how thick and creamy that is. It's great. I'll put aside a fourth of a cup, so I just use one of these small mason jars. And then this will be my starter culture for my next batch of homemade yogurt. And this will be my third go of it, so this will be the last time I keep some back. So next time I need to make yogurt, I will just buy some yogurt from the store and use part of it as my starter culture. So next, my husband likes to take these with his lunches for work. So I actually add the honey straight to it. Versus if I was just gonna eat it at home, I like to add the honey whenever I'm actually sitting down to eat it. Probably because I have a bigger sweet tooth than my husband, but that's okay. So it's nice and creamy, not too runny. This one I fermented for, I think, right around 9.5 hours. So not super long, but long enough. So I washed and dried these guys. Just gonna add the whole thing to it. And stir those in too. And then I'll portion it out into the jars. Okay, Reggie. He's getting his supper. I'm taking these two. They're not nice. So the pigs get just one more flake of hay here in the evening. I'll toss that to them, and they're all talking. Chickies. Good on food and water. Alright. Take our egg, go inside. We're gonna grab the keys and head back to the cattle property real quick. Because pretty sure that the baby chickens need some more water. So we'll have to go out there, fill up their water,